Greetings everyone, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In this video, we're going to explore smart, sustainable ways to reduce maintenance costs for asset-intensive industries. We'll provide actionable strategies just for you, the key members of maintenance and operations teams. We'll look at how costs are more than just numbers, but a result of how maintenance programs are executed. We'll also discuss how to tackle wasteful preventive maintenance programs, boost productivity, reduce equipment failures, and negotiate better contracts. You'll learn how to cut costs effectively and efficiently while maintaining or even improving your operations' reliability. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Let's start by understanding that maintenance costs are not just numbers, they're a consequence of how maintenance programs are set up and executed. These costs typically stem from three main areas: labor, parts, and external services. Knowing this gives us a clear starting point for cost reduction. Now, you might think cutting costs effectively is daunting, but it's quite achievable with a structured approach. Let's break down the four main areas you need to focus on to reduce your maintenance costs without sacrificing the quality of your operations. First up, let's tackle the wasteful preventive maintenance programs. It's shocking but true that up to 60% of preventive maintenance tasks add little to no value. This is often due to outdated or poorly defined tasks that don't effectively prevent failures. By reviewing and updating your preventive maintenance program, you can eliminate these non-value-adding activities, significantly reducing your workload and costs. Next, we need to address low maintenance productivity. A lot of time is wasted by maintenance technicians in activities like searching for parts or waiting for equipment. By implementing a solid planning and scheduling process, you can boost productivity from 30% wrench time to about 45%. This increase is equivalent to expanding your workforce by a third without the need to hire more staff. Moving on to excessive equipment failures, which are a major headache. Often, a few pieces of equipment are responsible for the majority of breakdowns and maintenance costs. By identifying these bad actors and focusing on root cause analysis, you can drastically cut down on repetitive repairs and associated costs. Lastly, let's talk about high-cost structures in maintenance contracts. Many companies overspecify requirements, leading to unnecessary costs. Review your contracts and negotiate better rates that align the goals of both parties, ensuring quality service at a lower cost. Now, if you're under pressure to deliver quick results, consider rearranging the sequence of these steps. Start with the preventive maintenance program to quickly reduce workload, then move on to renegotiating contracts. Assess your bad actors next, and tackle maintenance productivity last if time is tight. Remember, the goal here is not just to cut costs, but to do so in a way that maintains or even improves the reliability and efficiency of your operations. By focusing on eliminating waste and enhancing productivity, you can achieve a sustainable reduction in maintenance costs. This approach is based on the insights from Eric Hupje, a seasoned maintenance and reliability leader with over 20 years of experience. His strategies are designed to help you navigate the complexities of maintenance cost reduction effectively. Thanks so much for watching. We've covered a lot today, from understanding maintenance costs, tackling wasteful preventive maintenance programs, boosting productivity, reducing equipment failures, to negotiating better contracts. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. For even more resources, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to helping you achieve significant cost savings in your maintenance operations.